Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share Google Slides and Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Google Meet, and I'm going to show you how we can share Google Slides to this meeting. First of all, we need to go to the present menu. Right here, just click on this icon or the present now icon, and then we're going to select the Chrome tab. As you can see guys, I have opened my Google Slides and I'm going to share this Google Slides to the meeting. I'm going to go back to the meeting and then we can select Chrome tab and then select the Google Slides. And then you can activate the audio. If you want to share it with audio, you can activate this option. Also share tab audio. And then you can simply click on share and then the Google Slides will be shared to your meeting. Okay, this one. Okay guys, so that's all the way to share Google Slides to the Google Meet. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.